everyone. I welcome you all to today's session on 20 GK question, which have been specifically curated from the Hindu newspaper as well as the Indian Express. So again, the same advice which I always ask you, please go through today's daily news analysis before you attempt these 20 GK question. And today's session is very special because this would be our Nobel Prize special, and there would be many questions from Nobel Prize Award winner this year and of your history also. Okay, so let's look at the questions. The first question is, who were awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2024 for the discovery of micro RNA and its role in gene regulation? So the two persons who have been awarded this particular Nobel Prize in Medicine are Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvukun. So these are the two winners for their discovery of microRNA, and they discovered it in long back in 1993. But now they have been recognized for their achievements or for their contribution for the benefit of mankind. Okay, so the answer for one is going to be B. Moving on to the next one. So not just this year's medicine Nobel Prize, but previous in medicine also we have discussed. Kathleen Carrico and Drew Weissman received the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2023 for their groundbreaking work that contributed to what thing? So did it contribute to gene editing? Did it contribute to vaccine development for COVID-19? Did it contribute to cancer treatment, or did it contribute to stem cell? So that particular discovery directly contributed for vaccine development during COVID-19. So the correct answer for second is also going to be B. Moving on to the next one. Alfred Nobel's most popular invention, patent in 1867, was. So the Nobel Prize are awarded because these are mentioned in the will of Alfred Nobel, and it is basically your Swedish Royal Academy of Sciences which awards most of the awards. One award is Economics Award, which is provided by a particular bank. So a question from that also has been created. And Alfred Nobel's most popular invention, and which made the corpus for Nobel Prize, was his invention of dynamite. And the correct answer for third is going to be C, dynamite. Okay, so the next question is, the first Nobel Prizes were awarded in which year? So your Alfred Nobel died around 95, 94, 95, and then as per his will, Nobel Prize were instituted beginning in the year 1901. So the first Nobel Prize ceremony took place in the year 1901 itself. So the correct answer for fourth is going to be B. Moving on to the next question. So the Nobel Prize in Peace is awarded by, so which of the following organization is responsible for awarding the Nobel Prize in Peace? So this Nobel Prize in Peace is decided or awarded by the Norwegian Nobel Committee. Rest all of the awards are basically given by Royal Swedish Academy of Science. Your medicine is provided by your Karolinska Institute Nobel Assembly, and your Swedish Academy is responsible for your award in literature. Okay, so the correct answer fifth is going to be D. Let's look at the next question. Nobel Prize in Economic Science or Economy was established by. So your Nobel Prizes, apart from your science, all of other Nobel Prizes were instituted in the year 1901. But your Nobel Prize in Economics, which was earlier known as Sveriges Riksbank Award, was instituted only in the year 1968. And as the name suggests, its earlier name was Sveriges Riksbank Award, or the Sveriges Riksbank Central Bank Award for Economic Sciences. So the correct answer for 6 is going to be D. Moving on to the next one. What is the maximum number of laureates that can be chosen for each Nobel Prize? So एक particular कैटेगरी में कितने मैक्सिमम नोबेल लॉरेट्स शेयर कर सकते हैं इस अवार्ड को? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 3. सो 3 लोग एक पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी के अंदर में, देयर कैन बी 3 विनर्स फॉर वन कैटेगरी ऑफ नोबेल प्राइज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. विच नोबेल प्राइज कैन बी अवॉर्डेड टू इंस्टीट्यूशन इन एडिशन टू इंडिविजुअल्स? So majorly जितने भी आपके Nobel prizes हैं, they can only be awarded to individuals, but there is one particular prize which can be awarded to institutions also, and that particular prize is Nobel Prize in Peace. So the correct answer for it is going to be C. Moving on to the next one. The Nobel Prize award ceremonies are held on which date, which is celebrated as Nobel Day. So either you know on which particular date this award ceremony take place, or you know the date of Nobel Day, and that particular date is December 10th. So the correct answer for 9th is going to be B. Moving on to the next question. Kailash Satyarthi shared the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. So Kailash Satyarthi, through his organization Bachpan Bachao Andolan, has been working for many decades for to save children from child labor, etc. And this particular Nobel Peace Prize of 2014 was special because it was shared by an Indian as well as a Pakistani, and the Pakistani women or lady who received this award was Malala Yousafzai for uh, for uh, uh, for being a force of resistance against Taliban active in the Pakistani area. Okay, so the correct answer for 10 is going to be A. Next question, who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? First Indian कौन था जिनको Nobel Prize मिला? So we know this, that it was Rabindranath Tagore for his work Gitanjali. He received the first Nobel Prize in literature. Moving on to the next question, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of. So if you look at the option, it's a giveaway question. It is basically the Raman effect. So it was the discovery of Raman effect for which C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. Next question, the Nobel Prize awarded to Amartya Sen was for his research in which field? So your Amartya Sen is an economist and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in economics in the year 1998 in the field of economic sciences. Okay. Next question, what is the name of Mother Teresa charity organization? So what is the name of Mother Teresa's organization through which she used to help the needy people? So the organization name was Missionaries of Charities. The correct answer for 14 is going to be B. Moving on to the next question, the 8-degree channel is significant in terms of geography. It separates Indian Minicoy Island from Seychelles, Maldives, Sri Lanka or Bangladesh. So your 8-degree channels is actually separates your India's Minicoy Island, which is a part of Minicoy is an island which is part of your Lakshadweep Island group, and it separates Indian mainland from Maldives. So correct answer for 15th is going to be B. 16th, according to the Academic Freedom Index, India is categorized under which classification? So we have discussed this particular index also, Academic Freedom Index, which is given by a private organization. And as per this categorization, because India scored only 0.2 in the scorecard of 0 to 1, we have scored only 0.2. We are in the category of completely restricted when it's come to our academic freedom. So the correct answer for 16 is going to be C. Next question. Under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, so recently we have this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita of 2023. What is the age limit for the exception regarding marital rape? So under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the exception, the age limit for exception is 18 years now. So the correct answer for 17 is going to be B. Next question. Which state government has decided to bring a uniform color code for government building? So recently your state of Odisha, so correct answer is D, state of Odisha decided to bring a uniform color code and now they are going to color all their government buildings in saffron color. Okay, so the correct answer for 18 is going to be D. Let's look at the 19th question. What type of virus is responsible for outbreak in Rwanda? So we have discussed this also. In Rwanda, there is another major outbreak or major viral outbreak, and that particular virus is your Marburg virus. Marburg virus is known as Marburg because Marburg is a place in Germany where it was first founded. Okay, it was where it was first discovered. So the correct answer for 19 is again going to be B, Marburg virus. Let's look at the final question for today. The Marburg virus outbreaks in Rwanda is primarily associated with which of the following? Is it associated with contaminated water sources? Is it connected with infected fruit beds? Is it connected with mosquito bites, or is it an airborne transmission? So you should know this, that your Marburg virus outbreak is primarily associated with infected fruit beds, more specifically your Egyptian fruit beds. So that is the primary reservoir of this Marburg virus. So correct answer for 20 is going to be B only. Okay, student. So with this, we are done with the 20 GK questions for today. So this was a Nobel Prize special because there were primarily the more important questions were from the Nobel Prize ceremony and etc. and related questions to it only. Okay. So student, that's it from my side. If you have any feedback, any doubts, if you have any question regarding these 20 GK questions, you can ask in the comment box. Okay. So that's it from my side. Thank you and have a very nice day.